Hello, hello.
Yeah, Prabhu or Manoj. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll wait, let others join, then we'll start. Okay, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so today, as I told you, we are doing the quiz today, and it will be conducted by Prabhu and Sabik. Are they there, Prabhu and Sabik?
No, ma'am.
Sabik is also not there.
Both of them are not there.
They both are supposed to conduct the quiz. I had told them. Okay, Prabhu, you have joined now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we start? I'll share the material, you read out.
Yeah.
You ask the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
have you kept any time limit for each question?
Yes, ma'am. 15 seconds.
15 seconds. So everyone heard you have 15 seconds for a question.
5 seconds to raise the hands, ma'am.
Yeah, raise your hands.
Yes.
Okay. So shall we start with the first question? Yeah. This is the first question. Yes, Pavitra,
April 12th and 1992.
April 12th, 1992. SIBI came into existence, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the left side, we can see the answers also.
Oh, you can see the, okay, okay. Then I'll make it,
You should hide, ma'am.
yeah. Yeah, now is it okay? Yes, is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, you can turn on the camera. All of you. Please turn on the camera so that we'll know who's answering. Yes. So when did SIBI come into existence? Okay, shall we go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the date when SIBI came into existence, 12th April 1992. Yeah,
Yes.
Prabhu, you can read the questions.
Ma'am, second question is, who is the founder of Pidilite Industries?
Yeah. Please on your cameras, everyone.
Only Balaji and Vikas have on the cameras, ma'am.
Please on the cameras, everyone. Yes, everyone, please on. Okay, nobody has answered.
Ma'am, Sanjeev has answered the right answer, ma'am.
Yeah, shall we? Yeah, nobody has answered.
Sanjeev, ma'am, Sanjeev has got the right answer.
Okay, Sanjeev, tell the answer.
Ma'am, it is Balwant Parikh, ma'am.
Balwan
Parikh.
Parikh. Okay, yeah, Balwan Parikh. Okay, so he is the founder of Pidilite Industries. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question.
Ma'am, next question is which company of India has the best CSR?
Yes.
Ma'am, Infosys.
Infosys.
No, ma'am.
Any other answers?
Before it was, ma'am.
But not now.
Yeah.
Prabhu, please repeat the question.
Which company of India has the best CSR? Which company of India has the best social corporate responsibilities?
Any more?
Ma'am, Tata Motors.
Tata. Tata.
Tata is correct, but ma'am, Tata Motors is not the company, ma'am. Tata Chemicals is the answer.
Tata Chemicals. Okay, you're partly right. Who answered?
Balaji and
Okay, Tata, it's not Tata Motors, it's Tata Chemicals Limited. Best CSR. Anyway, he partly told correct. Okay, next question.
Next question is which company of ITC products makes the maximum revenue?
Classmates.
Classmates
No.
notebook, huh?
Ma'am, Balaji has got the right answer, ma'am.
Yes?
Balaji has got the right
Balaji,
answer,
say
ma'am.
the
He had,
answer. Balaji, what is the answer?
He have answered,
Cigarette,
ma'am. He
ma'am.
said cigarette.
ITC product cigarette.
Cigarette.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, correct. Yes, good. Next question.
Ma'am, shall I ask the next question?
Yes.
Where was Ola started?
What?
Where was Ola started? The cab chain.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Is it correct?
Mumbai is the right answer, ma'am.
Okay, good. Very good. Next question.
Which is the largest steel producing country in the world?
Is it India?
China.
China, ma'am.
Manoj,
No.
great.
Who said China is the right answer, ma'am? Manoj and Pavitra got the right answer, ma'am.
Okay, this is China. Okay, Pavitra. Yeah. Okay, good. Correct answer.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
When was CEPW signed between India and Korea, ma'am?
Sorry?
When was CEPW was signed between China and Korea?
India and Korea.
Yes. CEPW is comprehensive economic partnership agreement for free trade and for tax concessions. When that agreement was signed between India and Korea?
You told China and Korea.
No, India
7th
and
August
Korea.
2009.
Yes, ma'am. It is the
Huh?
right answer. Monisha has said the right answer, ma'am.
Okay, 7th August 2009. Okay.
It was signed.
Great.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it was signed.
When was Digital India launched? Next question is, when was Digital India launched?
2015.
2015.
2000? Yes,
15.
ma'am. Correct
15.
answer, ma'am. Sana, can you say the month?
July, I think.
July.
2015 is the right answer.
First
Yes.
July 2015.
Absolutely.
Okay. 1st July 2015.
When
Very good.
did the Starbucks finally announce a joint venture with Tata?
Starbucks joint venture with Tata.
Already moved to the next question.
Yeah.
In 2019.
Yes, ma'am.
2019.
Ma'am, next question is, when did Starbucks announce the joint venture with Tata in India?
2019.
2000,
Sorry.
2000?
1919.
I didn't hear. Please, can you repeat? No, 2012 is the right answer.
Okay.
Told 2019.
Sorry.
Okay.
2012 is the right answer, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
January
How old is
2012.
the company Gillette?
Gillette Company.
Ma'am, next question is, how old the company Gillette?
Gillette is
Near 119 years.
119, 119
Correct.
years.
Correct answer.
Okay.
Thank you.
Who's laughing?
I think it is Manoj.
Sana, ma'am.
Manoj. Okay, next question. Why, Manoj, you are laughing?
Not me, ma'am.
Then who laughed?
Sana.
Ma'am, you
Sana?
right.
Okay. Next question.
Prabhu, next question.
Prabhu, next question.
I think he's having network issues, ma'am,
Network issues, huh?
because his full photo is freezed.
Oh, okay. Sabik is there? He can read the next question.
Sadiq, ma'am.
Sadik, sorry. Sadik is there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Sadik is also not there.
Sanna will ask, ma'am. Sanna.
Sana.
Where should I ask? Manoj, you know that. You ask.
We'll see if he joins back.
Yes.
Okay, Prabhu, you join back.
Sorry for the network issue, ma'am. It's getting
Yeah.
disconnected again and again.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah, next
Okay.
question.
Sadiq, can you please ask the next 10 questions?
Sadiq?
Ma'am, he isn't there. I'll only ask.
Okay.
He's not there, ma'am.
Sadiq is not there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then,
No, ma'am.
okay.
Right, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, next 11th question is, ma'am, I'll read the 11th question.
Yeah. Read the 11th question.
Which industry has maximum contribution in GDP of India? Which sector?
Which sector? Maximum contribution.
Service sector, ma'am.
Yes. We have seen
Yes,
that
ma'am.
in class. Correct. Yeah.
Sound?
Next question. Which sound is
Who's making this sound, ma'am?
this? Yeah.
Sana.
Who's Sana? Your sound?
No, ma'am.
Then from where this sound is coming?
Not yours, somebody around you, Sana.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, next question.
Yeah.
Which is the India's largest pharmaceutical company?
India's largest pharmaceutical company.
Sun Pharmaceutical.
Wow. Right answer.
Who said?
Sana, ma'am.
Sana. Good. Your GK is good, Sana.
Sana's data is very
Pharmaceutical.
strong.
Okay.
Yeah. Next question.
Sana's network is good, ma'am.
Network is very good, ma'am. Sana's.
Sorry, I don't have any competitors. I think I must leave.
Okay. Next
His
question.
Google network speed is very good.
Next question is, how much percent of land in India is used for agriculture?
Yes. Good
60%, ma'am.
How much?
60%.
60%. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
60.43%. It's correct answer, ma'am.
Very good. Bang. Yeah. Next question.
Next question is, 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Where was COVID cases first detected in India? Where was the
Thrissur,
first
Kerala.
COVID case which was
Gulbarga.
detected?
Thrissur, Kerala.
Kerala.
Kerala, yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am.
Correct. Very correct. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Correct.
Next question. Who is crying? Don't cry. You will also answer. Next question.
Yeah. Read the next question. Next question.
Which is the world's first country to implement GST?
Yeah. Good services tax.
France.
France. Sana, you're getting everything
Yes, ma'am.
correct, huh? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Which is the largest bank in India? Public sector bank.
SBI.
Okay. Correct,
SBI is
huh?
right answer, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Correct. Next question.
Where is the headquarters of RBI located?
Mumbai.
Delhi.
Delhi.
Mumbai, ma'am. Mumbai.
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 The right
Mumbai.
answer, ma'am.
Mumbai. Headquarters.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question.
Next question is, who is the founder of Cafe Coffee Day?
Siddharth.
Siddharth.
Who said Siddharth is right?
DG
answer?
Siddhartha.
Siddharth.
Siddharth is right answer, ma'am.
Full name, please.
One question you missed.
Siddharth.
What is dividing the market into different geographical units, such as nations,
this is the next
regions, or
question.
towns?
Answer,
Sorry?
What
boys and
is
girls.
dividing the market into different geographical units, such as nations, regions, or towns?
It was, this question was asked in first internals marketing
Yes,
exam.
correct. It comes in marketing.
It is a part of some answer. Usually
Manoj.
it is
Divide the
Please say.
market. Huh?
Manoj, I am giving chance to Manoj.
Manoj, huh?
Answer, Manoj. Ma'am, time is up.
Time is up. Okay, nobody else? Girls? Ma'am, I'm in class. I'll call you later. Okay, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, nobody is answering. This is very simple question of marketing. How do you divide the market, segment the market on the basis of geography,
Geography.
like nations, regions, towns? How do you segment the market? Basic question.
Regions, ma'am. MNC.
No. How do you
Like this.
divide the market? How do you divide the market on the basis of geography? How do you segment it? Segmentation you would have studied, no, in marketing, right? Segmentation.
No.
No. What is the different types of segmentation? You're not studied.
No, ma'am.
This is geographic segmentation. On the basis of geography, geographic segmentation. There are different types of segmentation like this. Psychographic
Religion,
segmentation.
culture.
Huh? Not culture. Psychographic segmentation, demographic segmentation, geographic segmentation, behavioral segmentation, hybrid segmentation. This all you would have studied in marketing. How to divide the market. Geographic segmentation is on the basis of geography, geographical regions. Psychographic segmentation is on the basis of buying behavior of the customers, like how much quantity they buy or when they usually buy during festival season. What is their buying behavior? That is psychographic segmentation, like that. Demographic segmentation means, demographics means, what is demographics? Any idea? What
Ma'am,
is,
your voice is completely breaking, ma'am.
okay. Demographic segmentation, anybody can tell? Okay. You read the next question. This you have already read. Okay, next question.
Next question, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah.
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 Which is the costliest share listed in BSE? BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange. Which is the costliest share which is listed in BSE now?
MRF.
How much does it cost?
MRF,
Yes, ma'am.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sana, tell us the price of one share.
What?
Tell the price of one share of MRF. You answered it.
69,000, right?
70
How
plus.
Near 70,000.
No. It's already 96,973 today.
Oh, sorry, I am not updated, man.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, you were
Get
close.
updated.
You were close.
Yes, ma'am. It was close.
Okay, next question.
Ma'am, now question you have to answer it. You can't answer it in a single word. You have to explain the reasons.
Okay, let us see how they answer it.
What, according to you, are the reasons for the fall of Kingfisher Airlines?
Why Kingfisher Airlines fell? What are the reasons?
You can tell your own views also.
Yes. Nobody knows the answer? Yes?
High operating cost, ma'am.
High operating cost. Is it correct, Prabhu? One of the
Yes, ma'am. That is also one reason.
one reason. High operating cost. Any other reasons?
Costly life of Vijay Mallya.
Costly lifestyle of Vijay Mallya. Any other reasons?
Unable to make profit.
Unable to make profit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for that, what reasons? Because it's unable to make profit only, it fell.
Ma'am, he couldn't clear the bank loans which he took.
He couldn't clear the bank loans. Okay. Yes. Yeah, Prabhu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That is also a reason. Many reasons.
Many reasons.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
More reasons anybody wants to give? Okay, shall we go to the next question?
Questions are finished, ma'am. Only 21 were
Okay,
there.
this was the last question. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
21 questions.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, Prabhu, good, very nice quiz.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you've done it well. And more questions means I think they would have enjoyed. Did you all enjoy it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have done well, Anna. Okay, so we'll stop here.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll take attendance. Okay, Ranjit. Aishwarya. Anusha.
Present, ma'am.
Balaji.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavna. Bikash,
Present, ma'am.
Bindushri,
Present, ma'am.
Brinda, Darshini,
Present, ma'am.
Dilip, Farhan, Garib,
Present, ma'am.
Hemant,
Present, ma'am.
Kishan, Ribin.
Present, ma'am.
Who's singing? Manjunath PS,
Present, ma'am. Prabhu, ma'am. Prabhu is singing.
Prabhu singing. Oh, Manjunath R. Manoj HS, Manoj Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Ramshed, Mohammad Sabiq, Ashwini,
Present, ma'am.
Naveen, Naveen Kumar, Michelle,
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita,
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra,
Present, ma'am.
Suvarshan,
Present, ma'am.
Prabhu,
Present, ma'am.
Rakshit, Ranjit,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Ravi Kumar, Sana,
Present, ma'am.
Sanjeev,
Present, ma'am.
Sayak,
Present, ma'am.
Shivkumar, Sushma, Varun,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Sadiq, Monisha.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody's attendance is done.
Ma'am, Aishwarya is present.
Aishwarya, she didn't answer.
Ma'am, network
No,
issues.
ma'am. Network issues, sir.
Okay. Anybody else I left out?